A camera that does more than just record it actively understands the scene at the edge. NE503 completes fundamental object detection locally. Vehicles are instantly recognized upon entering the frame, triggering real-time events. Using a fixed monocular perspective, the device integrates depth estimation and logic rules to output structured data such as speed and distance. As the target enters the critical zone, NE503 utilizes motorized optical zoom to capture fine details, performing OCR directly on the edge. Beyond simple object recognition, the system analyzes spatial zones, timing, and motion states to determine parking behavior. Fixed region detection enables the device to directly serve use cases like parking slot occupancy, zone intrusion, and spatial status assessment. For long-tail targets, NE503 runs an open vocabulary model, translating business-specific language directly into visual filtering conditions. At park entrances, building lobbies, or factory aisles, the device directly outputs real-time people counting results. Leveraging 4K imaging and optical zoom, NE503 captures rich personnel details in long-distance scenarios, supporting identity and attribute analysis. Detection results seamlessly feed into tracking and re-ID pipelines, generating fully traceable target trajectories. When high-risk targets appear, NE503 completes initial visual screening locally and instantly triggers the alert workflow. Vision and audio validate each other, reducing the uncertainty of single model judgments and making events highly suitable for automated response. NE503 translates multi-model results into structured events, enabling immediate front-end decision-making and seamless integration with platforms or cloud systems. Transforming single cameras into open-edge vision nodes, NE503 elevates park intelligence from simply seeing to deeply understanding.